How to fix iPhone not connecting to Wi-Fi. If your iPhone is not connecting to Wi-Fi, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Basic checks. Ensure that Wi-Fi is enabled on your iPhone. You can check this in the Settings app under Wi-Fi. Verify that your iPhone is within the range of your Wi-Fi network. 2. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. 3. Restart your router. Power cycle your Wi-Fi router. Unplug it, wait about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can often fix connectivity issues. 4. Forget Wi-Fi network. In the Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone, select your Wi-Fi network, and choose Forget this network. Then reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password. 5. Reset network settings. Go to Settings General, Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will reset all network-related settings, including Wi-Fi passwords. 6. Check for iOS updates. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Updates can include bug fixes that may resolve connectivity issues. Go to Settings General Software Update to check for updates. 7. Airplane Mode. Turn on airplane mode for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off. This can sometimes reset the connection. 8. Check router settings. Access your router settings to ensure that MAC filtering is not preventing your iPhone from connecting. Also, check for any firmware updates for your router. 9. Renew DHCP lease. In Wi-Fi settings, tap on your connected network and choose Renew Lease. 10. DNS settings. Change the DNS settings on your iPhone. Go to Settings Wi-Fi, tap the Wi-Fi network you're connected to, and set the DNS to Google's 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. 11. Reset all settings. If none of the above steps work, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data but will reset system settings. Go to Settings General Reset all settings. 12. Contact Apple support. If the issue persists, there may be a hardware problem. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for assistance. 13. Check for interference. Other electronic devices or neighboring Wi-Fi networks may cause interference. Try changing the Wi-Fi channel on your router settings. 14. Restore iPhone. As a last resort, you can restore your iPhone to factory settings using iTunes or Finder. Make sure to back up your data before doing this. If you've tried these steps and the problem persists, it's advisable to seek help from Apple support or visit an Apple authorized service provider.